Hello everyone, and welcome to day 9 of our AVEEROS Financials tutorial series. Today, we shift our focus from accounts receivable to its equally critical counterpart, the accounts payable module. The AP module is where you manage all the financial obligations your company has to its vendors and suppliers. But just like we did with AR, before we start entering invoices and processing payments, we need to configure some essential foundational settings. Think of these as the backbone of your AP process, defining how vendors are categorized, how transactions hit your ledgers, how taxes are applied, and what payment terms are enforced. Getting these settings right is vital to ensure accurate expense tracking, timely payments, and healthy vendor relationships. Setting up the core accounts payable parameters. 1. Payable GL posting, mapping vendor transactions to correct GL accounts. Navigate Go to Setup, then select Payable, and click on Payable GL Posting Accounts. Press New/Edit button. 1. Give new name of GL posting code, for example local ven. 2. Description name local vendor. 3. Early payment discount GL 510208012. 4. A/P account GL 220301002. 5. Prepaid account 120404001. 6. Purchase return account 120102001. 7. Purchase account 120102001, because purchase if added, then in case of return same account will be reversed. 8. Cash account 120901001. 9. Payment charges account 540106001. 10. Discount charges account 510208012. 11. Freight charges account 510207001. 12. Labor charges account 510208012. This setup ensures that when a vendor invoice is processed, the correct GL accounts are automatically selected, reducing manual entries and potential posting errors. 2. Vendor class, categorizing vendors at a broad level. Navigate to Setup, go to Payable, then click on Vendor Class. Click Add New/ button. 1. Enter a unique code such as local ven for materials. 2. Then enter the description such as local vendor's materials. 3. Select posting code local ven local vendor. Then, click Save. Vendor classes help streamline your vendor management and influence downstream settings like default tax codes and payment terms. 3. Vendor group, creating granular segments within vendor classes. 1. Go to Setup, then Payable, and click on Vendor Group. 2. Click Add New. 3. Enter a code, for example, VendorPEX. 4. Enter the description, for example Vendor Group for export. 5. Then click Save. Vendor groups give you finer control. Combined with vendor classes, this allows more detailed reporting and logic in GL posting, tax handling, and vendor analysis. For payment term setting, vendor credit rules. 1. Go to Setup, select Payable, and open Payable Terms. 2. Click on Add New. 3. Enter a code like 120 days. 4. Provide a description, 120 days credit terms. 5. Discount percent, enter the value 2, it means 2%. 6. Discount days, right value 10, it means if the payment made in 10 days then 2% payment discount will be applicable. 7. Enter the total due days provided for as credit period 120 days. 8. Then click Save. This configuration ensures your system calculates due dates and early payment discounts automatically, which is crucial for effective cash flow management. 5. Purchase tax, defining input tax rules. Navigate to Setup, then Payable, and then select Purchase tax. 1. Click Add New. 2. Enter a unique tax code, for example, test code. 3. Select tax category, input sales tax. 4. In description field, enter test input sales tax. 5. Enter section code as per your legislation's test code ST. 6. Enter the tax GL by searching window, write down the tax, then press Find button. You will find the GLs having text value tax. Now search your relevant GL for tax, for example all the tax, sale tax receivable, input sales tax, bulk drug, which is having GL code 120702001. 7. Then enter the tax percentage, for example 18%. 8. Click Save to complete the configuration. This ensures that when you enter a purchase invoice, the system automatically records input taxes correctly, aiding both compliance and recovery. 6. Vendor master data, creating supplier profiles. Go to Setup, then Payable, and select Vendor. 1. Select Individual as value of vendor. 2. Select the name Mr. Test. 3. Select the address Stress Test, number 12. 4. City name Lahore. 5. Province/PC Punjab. 6. Country Pakistan. 7. Phone 1123456789. 8. Enter the contact Mr. Test secretary. 9. Enter the NTN 12457 to 7. 10. Enter STRN number 3221447333698. 11. Enter vendor status active. 12. Enter the vendor class we have created under this training local vendors materials. 13. WHT tax code 0%. 14. Enter the sales tax code test input sales tax. 15. Advance income tax code, for example select the from the list adv.idx advance income tax. 16. Terms code 120 days to 120 days credit terms. 17. Select purchase group we have created under this exercise vendor group for export. 18. Check the credit limit. 19. And allow max credit limit 400,000.00. Now go to second tab, name as contact info. 1. Enter the email address test@gmail.com.pk. 2. Enter the website www.test.com.pk. 3. Write under the comment vendor relevant info. Here we will write this is the test data. 4. Enter the save button. Summary: what you've accomplished in day 9. You've now set the stage for efficient vendor and invoice handling. Here's what we covered today: mapping payable GL accounts based on vendor classification, setting up vendor classes and groups for better segmentation, defining payment terms for cash flow control, configuring purchase taxes for proper input VAT management, creating detailed vendor master data, including bulk imports. Coming up in day 10. In our next tutorial, day 10, we'll move into actual transaction processing, including purchase invoice entry, debit and credit memo adjustments, and of course, making payments to vendors. Thanks for joining me in today's session. I'll see you next time.